Hey everyone, Sean with Bungalou, back here on Bardstown Road. Just wanted to get you a quick update since we were last here before Christmas, middle of January. As you can see, it's pretty cold outside today, and there's been a lot that has happened within the past few weeks. We've got new windows in, we've re-sheathed the buildings, we got new roofs on here, and we're starting to finish up some of the rough-in stuff. So I'm gonna walk you back in here so we can take a look at some things. As you can see, we've also got this new wall built for this second story, and yeah, let's take a look. All right, so we've got this bad boy wrapped up and watertight. We're making selections on the finished product here soon, so we hope to get that on here in the next month or so. But as you can see, we got these beautiful black windows from Evington that really look nice, and they're actually a little bit taller than your standard window. So we love the way those look. And then right over here to the other side, we've got our entrance here to this part of the building. If you remember, I was telling you, we basically had to pour a whole new foundation and start over. So that's starting to come together. And yeah, so we'll get you a drone shot of the roof so you can check those out, because those are coming on. And then hopefully when I get back to you next, we'll be drywalling, and that's when things really start getting exciting. So until then, we'll see you next time.